allows you to neatly hang your cookware inside of your cabinets. It's fully extendable with adjustable hooks for easy access, eliminating the need to stack your cookware and ultimately extending the life of your ware.
No space is too small to be put to good use with Schuler's Just Right Fit. This pull-out shelving features 3 adjustable shelves and is perfectly placed to store spices and dishes near the cooktop.
The gravity-fed dispenser fits both large and small tea discs, making it convenient for you to access a variety of discs for your Tassimo single-serve coffee maker. Its attractive chrome-plated design will look great in any kitchen. This rotating carousel holds up to 40 tea discs, all of which are extremely easy to access.
Safe, convenient, and easy to use. That's what a colander should be. And with Confify's set of 2 collapsible colanders, you get all that and more. 2 BPA-free, food-grade, dishwasher-safe colanders, 8 inches and 9.5 inches wide. They're great for big cooking tasks, but also collapsible to save you lots of space in your already cramped kitchen. They're also heat resistant up to 176 degrees, so you can immerse them in boiling water to drain, strain, and contain practically anything. Boiled veggies, fresh lettuce, pasta, potatoes, you name it.
It's Ali from Cedar Summit, and we're looking at the X-Pot range, in particular the 1.3 litre X-Pot kettle. This weighs in at 186 grams and collapses down to 35 millimeters. With the increasing popularity of freeze-dried meals, as well as the multitudes of hot beverages available, a kettle with a 1 litre boil capacity is perfect for a warm lunch on the side of a rainy trail. Even if freeze-dry is not your style, the X-Pot kettle has stable handles and a wide rim to allow you to cook rice or pasta really easily. The X-Pot kettle base is built from ultralight hardened 6 series aluminium. This is then overmoulded with food-grade heat-resistant silicone which make up the walls of the pot. The lid is built from a translucent BPA-free material, which allows you to see the pot's contents. The handles on the X kettle are made from glass-reinforced nylon 66. This makes them less susceptible to heat damage, as well as providing support to the upper rim and increasing control when pouring. The X-Pot kettle is specifically designed to fit 2X mugs or 2X cups, making it great for the adventuring duo. The X kettle then comfortably fits inside a 2.8 litre X-Pot, making for a compact cooking